Keeping our busy town and city centre streets and pedestrian areas swept clean has always had its own unique set of challenges. In certain high-amenity city centre locations, the noise and fumes generated by traditional diesel sweepers are no longer acceptable as municipalities plan for improved air quality and people-friendly surroundings. Visitors and the general public have come to expect a very high standard of cleanliness in public areas. They take for granted that an efficient cleaning operation will continue throughout the day without disturbing their leisure time or pavement cafe lifestyle. The reduction of high concentrations of vehicle fumes in our cities have been identified as critically important in international and EU targets to reduce overall CO2 emissions. By the year 2020, local authorities must reduce their total annual CO2 emissions by 20%. The challenge is now to turn our cities into clean, quiet, attractive areas where harmful vehicle exhaust emissions and noisy, polluting traffic are a thing of the past. With no engine noise and zero carbon emissions, and with more suction performance than any other machine of its size, the 500ZE is the way forward. Compare this with a typical 2 cubic metre compact sweeper. A diesel compact pumps 50 tonnes of CO2 into the atmosphere every year. That is as much as 40 ordinary cars. So, by replacing one traditional compact sweeper with one 500ZE zero-emission sweeper, you reduce your CO2 emissions by 50 tonnes. The problem of noise is critically important for all municipalities. Noise generated by early morning municipal sweeping often creates friction with residents in high-profile central areas. With no diesel engine and none of the associated noise, the 500ZE electric sweeper is in a league of its own. When it was put through rigorous testing by accredited international test authorities, the results showed a dramatic 75% reduction in bypass noise. It was impressive results like these that led the Chartered Institute of Acoustics to award the 500ZE the coveted 2010 Technology Award. By using zero-emission sweepers, municipalities clearly demonstrate their commitment to a sustainable, better future. Visitors and the general public can see for themselves that strategies for improving city living are being implemented. Green Machine's development of its patented Cloudmaker technology is just one of the reasons why this sweeper is so successful. Using cutting-edge technology, the Cloudmaker's rotary atomizer sprays microscopically fine water droplets that attach themselves to the tiny dust particles. Once inside the 500ZE, the cyclonic action of the three-stage filtration system ensures that the dust and dirt stays in the hopper. This not only solves the problem of dust control, the Cloudmaker represents a huge saving in water consumption. Whilst a traditional compact sweeper may consume as much as 6 litres of water a minute, the 500ZE Cloudmaker can reduce this to only half a litre per minute and dramatically reduces the amount of surplus water in the hopper. The Green Machine's compact size, tight turning circle and easy manoeuvrability means the sweeping operation continues without interruption throughout the day. And with transit speeds of over 25 kilometers per hour, this zero-emissions sweeper moves rapidly between the depot and sweeping beats. The tough demands of town centre sweeping means that the 500ZE must be able to sweep at full power for a minimum 8-hour shift, just like a traditional diesel-powered machine. The 500ZE is powered by twin lithium-ion battery packs. Because the power and operational life of the battery pack is so important to our customers, Green Machines commissioned TÜV, the German independent test agency, to put the machine and its batteries through its paces. Documented test results confirmed that the 500ZE can easily sweep throughout an 8-hour shift with all sweeping and vehicle lighting systems fully deployed. The batteries can be fully recharged within 4 hours. When double shifting is required, a fully charged battery can be slotted in, allowing the sweeping operation to continue around the clock. Green Machines are so confident in the long-term performance of the 500ZE lithium-ion battery cells that they come with a full 5-year warranty. While initial capital outlays are higher with electric vehicles, this is more than offset by the daily running costs of the 500ZE. Traditional compact sweepers can use between 50 and 70 litres of diesel per day. The 500ZE, on the other hand, only costs around €3 a day to recharge. That represents a massive saving in fuel costs. Maintenance costs are also dramatically reduced, because with no diesel engine servicing, the electric 500ZE running and servicing costs are lower than any other municipal sweeper. It is the strategic goal in all towns and cities around the world to create a clean, safe and quiet environment. With the international community focused on the need to reduce greenhouse gases, the push is on for all governments and city authorities to make the change. With zero emissions, cutting-edge technology and incredibly quiet operation, the 500ZE Green Machine is the solution for city centre cleaning as we move fast forward into the 21st century.